I recently purchased my first commercial property, and typically you're going to learn the ropes of commercial during the transaction. I'm going to tell you what I learned after the transaction. I'm Sarah Rocco, owner of the Rocco Group at Keller Williams Realty, Atlantic Partners Southside here in Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm excited to tell you what I learned along the journey of buying my first commercial property. The property I purchased is in Jacksonville Beach, 3 blocks from the ocean, prime location. I knew that I needed to get the space right away, but I was on a deadline to close for the seller. So this is why I found out so much after I closed versus during, because I didn't have the time to do the due diligence that I needed to do in order to find it out prior, but I was willing to take the chance because it's at the beach. The prior owner that resided in this property, they used it as a solo building space that I knew could be converted into 4 equal spaces. But what I didn't know is that it also had the ability to possibly be 15 different suites that could be amazing for Jacksonville Beach and allow opportunity for different boutiques to be stationed inside this larger building. So now I found myself in front of City Hall in the next couple of weeks, presenting my variants for what I am requesting to bring to our local area. They make you jump through hoop after hoop after hoop, the planning department, zoning department. However, if I can get through this, I know Jax Beach will look better, be better, and allow more opportunity for local businesses, small businesses, to feature what they love most. So if you are like me and you're dabbling in commercial, or maybe you aren't quite sure if it's the right thing for you, just be open to opportunities in commercial. It has been a great experience overall, and I would suggest that you consider it and explore your options. If you ever want to discuss commercial real estate, I'd be happy to chat with you. You can find my information below. Thanks for watching.